So last class we discussed, right? So how to add. So how to add. So new host mission to Ansible server, and how to check whether it is connecting or not. And already last class we seen, right? So there is a three models we know. So what are those models? So last class we executed three models, right? So that is the ping model. Ping is the one model. What is the main purpose? If you want to check connectivity between your Ansible server to host machine, so that case you go for ping model. Setup model means if you want to know more about your host and all, so that case we can use setup model. And if you want to execute, execute sudo -i, and if you want to execute any Linux commands, if you want to execute any Linux commands, and that case we go for command model, right? So first, if you want to check connectivity, already last class we configure. So in host file, already in host file we configure, right? Mm,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
host file we configure. What is that? So Ansible. What is the group name? DevOps. And so
DevOps.
what is the -m model name?
Set.
Command. Or we can use -m ping model. Correct? So ping is nothing but to check how many host machines are connected to your Ansible Ansible, that is server, Ansible server. See, both are connecting. So if it is not connecting, now check it here. cd slash etc slash cd slash Ansible, and so sudo va host. By mistake, if you go here, by mistake, I given wrong IP. Control S, escape, colon, X. Now this server will connect. This host is connecting or not?
Not
It
connected.
won't connect. Now we can see it will connect only one. Now let me execute. See here. This is the Ansible DevOps -m ping. So one is unreachable, one is reachable. One is unreachable. Which one? Where I execute this command. Now see here. See here. One is unreachable and one is success. Now this is
Success.
see here. Changed false message failed to connect the host via SSH. This IP connection timeout. So unreachable means we are unable to, our Ansible server is unable to connect this host IP. Correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
now in this case we are going and check what is the problem and all. cd slash etc slash Ansible ls, and so we sudo va host. If you go here, what is the IP, correct IP? 172.71. Escape colon x, sorry, correct one, right? Now escape colon x. Now see here. Now run same command. Now it will both are connecting. So these are the some basic. These are the basic only. Once this is done, now these are the modules. So Ansible people, they are providing many modules. Right? So Ansible. So if you type Ansible modules, Ansible people, they are providing many modules. No need to learn all modules. So which are the important, basically usually which models we are going to use, which models frequently we are using, so those models we are going to focus on. So these are the models. Suppose if you want to know any specific model, just go and search here, and which model you need, which model you want to know, how to configure that model, that you can easily find it. Okay. Now, so this is the one. Now it is now if you want to run any command, so what is this? Ansible DevOps. This is the group name. -m command model, command model, -a arguments, that what is ls -ltr. Now got it. Now it will display all files in your host machines. So in this host, this is the file name. In this host, this is the file name. Now got it. See here, it will display. This is the dir. If
Yeah.
you want to, we can connect, we connect. So if you want to, we can connect directly here also. SSH DevApps, SSH DevApps at SSH DevApps at what is the IP? See here, what is the IP? Now you connected or not? See here. Now connected or not? Now here
Connected,
also we
sir.
can select ls. Now see here, we can see only one file. We can see only one file. We can see like this. Now I am in host machine or my host. Now we are in Ansible server or host machine.
Host machine.
That's the very important. Now we are in host. So now from Ansible server directly I connected my host machine. Now whatever you want we can do here directly operation. For example, touch space. I am giving so test data so txt file. Now see here ls. So now I'm in a host. I connected host. Click on exit. You know, right? Exit means come outside this mission. Now I'm in server. Now execute run this same command. Now whether we can see one more file or not. Now see here. Now we can see one more file or not. Yes or no? See?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like this is
Just
the
press.
very important. Okay. If you want to, we can connect directly that host also, and whatever you want, we can do. So like remote. Now got it. Now we are in Ansible server. From my Ansible server, now directly I am connected to my host machine. That's it. I hope you got it right. How we are connecting real time people also.
Yes, sir.
One second. I'll back. Hmm. Yes, I uploaded. I have yes uploaded. అదే అవసరం yes it is uploaded అనుకోండి. That's it. అయిపోతుంది అంతే మళ్ళీ సండు రాయి అక్కడ ఒక పేరు రాసి ఓకే ఐ హ్యావ్ అప్లోడెడ్ అని చెప్పు ఐ పేరు ఐ హ్యావ్ అప్లోడెడ్ ఇది తీసేయి దీని బండి ఇంకా అంతే అది ఐ హ్యావ్ స్మాల్ లెటర్ ఐ ఐ హ్యావ్ అప్లోడెడ్ అంతే ఇంకేం అవసరం లేదు. చాలు నౌ ఓకే now go to here so let me open that document. We'll follow same thing initial, right? So later we can understand how it will work on that. Okay, so now we know what is the you know, right? What is ping module, you know, what is setup module, you know, connect to the servers. And so what is the setup module, you know, so there is different ways we can connect. This is the one way, and directly we are using one way. Whatever you want we can follow. Okay, now setup already done. So now so if you want to set up get all information of the your node or server machines. Okay, now there is one more model, copy model. You know, right? What is copy? So generally if you want to copy files from if you want to copy file if you want to copy file, so there is one model is there, copy model. What is the model name? Copy model. What is the model name? Copy. See here. So Ansible, uh, see here Ansible nodes -m copy -a arguments. This is the source path and this is the destination path. Wherever you want, if you want to copy from source to destination, we can use this is the copy model. Now clear, Sudhir? Copy model. Okay, copy
Yes, sir.
means we
Yes.
have to give so two source path. One is source and one is destination. From which path to which path? Okay, which path to which path. Now go to here. Now observe here. So now which mission we can take? This mission or this one? Anyone?
Happens.
Okay, now I am going to take this one. Okay, now before that first let me go to here, go to here, and so ssh devaps at IP address. Okay, now I connected this mission ls. Now we are in which path? Now we are in which path? Home devaps, right?
DevOps.
Now go to root directory. Go to root directory cd dot dot. Now we are in root directory. Okay, ls. Now see here, for example, you can take any /opt. td space slash opt slash opt directory and ls. Okay, now here I'm going to create one file, tosh space, just I'm giving a txt file. Okay, permission denied, right? So permission
Not in the
denied,
room.
sudo. Okay, now ls. Now this file is created which directory? opt directory, correct?
Open.
opt directory. Now come outside. Now I'm going to execute same thing. What is the command, guys? sudo command -m copy model -a and source src, source equal to from where you want to copy, same syntax. So this is the copy etc, and so I am in separate path, right? Now tell me that path. I am giving opt slash sudhir dot txt destination path dst. Now got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, home slash devops slash sudhir dot txt. That's it. Now copy means we need two, right? Source path and destination path. So now I'm copy. Now I don't want to copy both missions. I'm going to copy which mission I connected earlier.
Step
This
home.
mission, right? This mission.
Yes.
Okay.
110, sir.
Now copy. Now go to here. Now instead of group name, I am giving particular IP address. That's it. Correct? Now see
Sir.
here, Ansible, your host IP, -m, copy, module name, -a. This is the source. Now file is available here. Now I'm going to move this to here. That's it. Okay. Any doubt here? This is the syntax. Ansible, this is the group name, or we can use IP address. Copy is the model. Arguments, source and destination. From where I am copying opt sudhir.txt file. Destination path home dev sudhir.txt file. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now opt. What's the problem? An exception occurred during the task execution. See the full trace vr hyphen view. If you are using model except the existing path failed change, could not could not find or access. So we don't have full permission. Okay. So that is the reason here. Okay. What here we are using? For full permission, we need to use hyphen B. I think where is that, somewhere added. Copy model unless hyphen. Same only we copied destination path syntax only. Okay, if you want to file permission while copying, Ansible hyphen a copy and this if you want to file permission, we don't want file permission. Hyphen b become hyphen b somewhere. Okay, let me use hyphen b. That it is hyphen b. It is also not to know like changed false. Mm, 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 if you are using model and execution file, or else I am giving a same path. How it will work, we'll see. Actually, there is a problem accessing path. Mm, we need to use. Let me try it. Sudo. Yes. Now connect to host via running permanently and list of host root permission denied. So actually we don't have permission. Let me slash. Where is opt directory? Root only, right?
Yes, sir.
Root. Let me try it. This is also no. Hyphen b become s, or else I am giving same path. First we'll connect same path. How it will work. DevOps 13. So PWD, you are in, so here path. Okay. CD space slash etc slash Ansible. Okay, I'm copying Ansible file. So how it will work means Ansible file means Ansible etc host destination etc slash Ansible slash host which is this host destination path also host. In this file I want to copy host. Now see here, actually that is a path problem. We don't have access. Now here changed. Now see here changed. Now it is copying home DevOps Ansible. Where is that file path? So it is on DevOps, right? Group is DevOps home and all. Now we can check it. Now see ls command ls hyphen ltr. Now we can see host file. Now copied or not? See here.
Copied, sir.
So it is I copied file from etc Ansible directory and yesterday I created, right, host file. Okay, so that file I copied to my this host machine. So this is the source and destination. OPT directory we need to give some more permissions. We don't have permission. Okay, so that is the reason we are unable to copy file from OPT to so our directory. OPT to so our directory. That is a permission problem. So we are going to use some permission problem, but now I am using so installation path. This is anyway we install, right? So now we can easily copy from this path to your destination path. Your destination path. This is also one model, copy model. Now we know a copy model, ping model, setup model, command model. Correct? So if you want to copy, for example, if you want to give permissions, I want to give file permission. So now if you observe here, what is the file permission? This host I given, right? What is the file permission? Read write means 6.
Read it.
User also, group
6,
also 6. Others only read
4.
permission 4. Correct? Suppose if you want to change, so that case we can give permission also. So that case this is the syntax. So that is the syntax. What is this mode equal to which permission you want to give? What is this? Sorry, mode.
Switch on.
Mode equal to I am giving 777. What's permission? What is 777 means?
Full permission. Read, write,
Yes,
execute.
read write full permission. Now see here, go to here, updated to mode full permission. Now check it here, ls-ltr. Now see here, earlier we can see read write, read write, write, read write. Now if you observe here, previous before running this
Read, write, read, write,
read
read
write.
only.
Now I given the 777 means user 7, group also 7, others also 7. You know, right? R means 4, right means 2, X means 1. 4
1,
plus
yes, sir.
2 plus 1. Okay. If you want to change again, I don't want like that. I want to give only read write users only. I want to give others. I don't want to give anything. Group also I don't want anything. So that case 60. You know, right? What is 6? First letter users, second letter group, third letter others. Now we can
Others.
see only users read write remaining default options. Sorry, here remaining I removed, right? I removed. I removed all options. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is also we can use mode. If you want to, we can use mode. So if you want to, we can use mode. Now, if you want to check disk usage and all, you know, this is all our Linux commands only. What is the purpose of command model? If you want to run any Linux command, we go for
Linux command.
command. Same. If you go here, the free command, you know, right? Free hyphen m. What is this command?
How much memory is available?
Memory, you know, right? So that is and all we can execute. Now if you want to check what is the disk usage, df hyphen disk usage,
EFF KH.
disk usage. disk. df. Du means disk usage. df, there is two commands, right? Hmm.
DF.
Linux. There is two
Yes, sir.
commands, df and du. Linux.
DU-SH star ఉంటుంది.
Du in Linux. This is the disk usage. So it is called disk usage. Correct? Next, one more command, df.
File system.
df means it display information about the total space and available space on the
File
file
system.
system. Available total space and available space on the file system. du and df. du and df. Okay. So these are the two commands, du and df. One is disk usage and the second one is it will display the total usage, how much and all, so file system and all. Clear? See here.
Yes, sir.
df means it will display. So what about df? This is the df and one more command du. df hyphen a. Usage of df command hyphen a shows the dummy files on. This is same Linux commands only. Disk usage. Amount of the disk space used by the set of specified files. Disk usage. Okay. So df command stands for command display the amount of available disk space. This is the disk space. This is the disk usage. Correct? This is the disk space. This is the disk
Yes, sir.
usage. That commands and
Usage.
all we can execute it. These are same only. Whatever you want, we can execute. Remaining story same only. That is up to you. Whatever you want, we can execute it. So whatever you want, we can execute it. Now these are the copy setup model and the disk usage free. And so this is the df-kh, df and whatever you can use it. Okay. Now here it won't work directly, so that case we can use hyphen shell. We need to use shell command. Here you are using, right? So here we are using and. So and means right, both are, and means it is executing both commands, right? There is one more model also is there. So there is
Yes,
one
sir.
more model also is there. There is a one more model also is there. Ansible. See here, in this case it will fail. So Ansible DevApps. So this is my group name. Don't confuse. Hyphen command df. Right. So total disk space in your file system. This is the free. Okay. Now I am using and command. In this case, we are getting error message. See here, the Linux platform using the discoverable Python interrupted. There is some problem. See here, but failure installation of another Python interrupted. It won't support. So in this case, so there is a one more command module is there, shell model. We can use shell also. We can use shell also. We can use shell. If you want to, we can see Ansible shell, Ansible shell model. Both are same only. But shell is support. Shell model takes the command name followed by the list of space delimiters. So here I have passed some special characters, right? Special character, right? And now command it
Yes, sir.
won't support. So that case, which model we need to use? Shell model. Which model we have to use? Shell model. Now got it? So here we passed and, right, Sudhir? And special characters.
Yes, sir. I'm there.
Okay, command model it won't support this pattern. Which model it will support? Only shell. Command model it won't support. Command
Support.
model it won't support. This is same command only. df-kh. What is free command. Okay, correct. See here, what is the memory usage, how much you use it and all. So if you use any special characters and all, that case you go for which model? Shell model. The shell model takes the command name followed by the list of space delimited arguments. We can add multiple also. So this is also one model, shell model. This is also one model. So change directory, characters, example. See here, we can use a shell, and also we can execute any file also. Whatever you want, we can execute. This is the playbook. You don't know playbook. I will show you later. Leave it. Now anyway, as of now, we are executing only ada commands. Ada commands means single line
Single line
commands.
commands.
That's it. Simply remember single line commands. Now let's come here. This is okay. Now there is a file command. There is one more model, file model. Suppose if you want to create any file, what is the command? So that simply I want to create one
Touch.
file. Touch
Touch.
touch file, right? Same way via Ansible model how to create file. Now this is the command. This is the command. So with the help of file, with the help of file is the one model -a. Here we need to pass arguments. I want to create one file. So file is the one model. I want to create one file. File is the one model, and with the help of file model, so how to create? How to create file? See here, file. File is the one model. We have to give destination path and also state equal to touch. This is the syntax. Suppose you don't know how to use file model. File is also one model. See here, Ansible file model. Ansible file model. So this is the API. First, try to understand how to see API and all. We can easily understand. So this is the access time. This is the attribute. There is one argument is there state. There is one argument is there state. There is one argument is there state. There is one argument we have to pass state. State absent. We can give absent. See here we can give absent. Directories will be recursively deleted. Suppose if you want to give absent file path and hard link touch, see here touch also is there and link also is there, hard also is there, file also is there, absent. These are the state arguments. Here we are passing two arguments. Here I am passing two arguments. Destination, I want to create this file. State equal to touch. What is this meaning? Touch means it will create one empty file. See here. So an empty file will be created. Now got it? See, we can use absent, we can use a directory, we can use file, we can use a hard link, soft link, touch. I hope already sir explained it, right? So what is difference between hard link and soft link? How it will work? Clear, Sudhir? Hello, Sudhir. Now got it? Hello. Now dest destination equal to I want to give home slash dev apps home/dev apps and I want to create one file. Which file you want to create? For example, I want to dev apps. For example, I want to ansible.txt file and state equal to. So I want to create one empty file, right? State equal to touch touch. See here, this is the syntax. Ansible dev apps -m. File model name is file -a destination. Where you want to create file? Home dev directory. Home dev directory. What is the file name? Ansible.txt. State equal to touch. Now got it, Sudhir? Now see here. Now see here changed. Changed means created. Ansible fact also. Discover the patterns use and all. So this is the changed. Now file is created. Group equal to dev apps owner, state equal to file, and so file was created. File was created. Now check it here. So whether really it is created or not. Now see here, file was created under the particular home directory, ansible.txt file. Ansible.txt file. Yes or no? Now suppose if you want to delete this file, same if you go to here, so same you go to here. Okay, okay.
Sir.
Yeah. So now there
Sir,
is
sir,
a
company,
mm,
one call వచ్చింది సార్ కంపెనీ నెంబర్కి దట్స్ వై
okay, okay, no problem. Now see here.
ఇన్ఫోసిస్ అండి సార్
Okay. Infosys.
టుమారో ఇంటర్వ్యూ అన్నారు యా
Okay, okay. Now see
వన్
here.
సార్ సార్ వన్ మోర్ కాల్ సార్ వన్ మోర్ కాల్ సార్
Okay, okay. Go ahead. So, mm. Now see here. This is the what is the model we are using? File model. So if you go to here file model, there is a state. State we can pass this many arguments. Whether we can pass absent, directory, file, hard link, soft link, touch. Okay. So first time, if you want to create, now I used one command, right? So keep say this Ansible DevOps. Here I given destination where we want to create file, destination path, home slash
Destiny.
DevOps slash Ansible.txt file
Ansible.
I want to create. For example, already Ansible available. Now I'm going to create Ansible 1. Ansible 1. State equal to, state equal to, touch. Touch means right? Empty file.
But
What is this?
yes,
Touch means empty file. If you want to, we can go see what is the touch. An empty file will be created if the file does not exist. If file is not exist, it will create one empty file. It will create one empty file. Now got it? See here, Ansible DevOps hyphen m model name file model arguments. So destination where you want to create under the home directory, DevOps directory. What is the file name? Ansible1.txt. State equal to touch. That's it. Now see here. Now it will create the so file was created. See here under the destination path file was created. Check it. Same command. So Ansible DevOps hyphen m. Now whether file was created or not. Now created or not. See here.
creators.
For example, if you want to remove the file, there is one more argument. If you want to remove the argument file, what is the argument? Absent.
RM.
Absent.
Of
Absent means directories will be recursively deleted, files or symbolic will be unlinked. Now this is the file, right? I want to remove this file. Now see here same command. Touch equal to state equal to absent. Which file it will remove?
Ansible
Uh,
1.txt.
yes, sir. So this is the state equal to destination we can file. Okay. Now run this. Now see here. So this is the path changed, right? Path changed absent state equal to absent. Now check the same command Ansible ls-ltr. Now file is available or not?
No, sir.
Now I
Not
want to
available.
remove this file also. Same command. So what is the file name? Ansible state equal to absent. That's it. Clear? See here. Now changed. Status changed, right? Now go here. ls hyphen. Now file is available or not? No, right? Now got it. So if
Yes,
you
sir.
want to create, for example, I want to create one directory. So if you want to create directory, what is the argument we need to give? Directory. Now got it. I want to create one directory. If you want to create directory, what is the command? Linux command?
Make directly
Make directory.
MKDIR.
Now here no need to do make the action a state equal to directory, and so here we are giving a directory name. For example, I want create one directory name. For example, sample. Okay, sample. What is the directory name? Sample. Where you want to
Sample.
create in this path. That's it. Remaining story same only. Now check it. So see here created. Now check it. Now check it. Sample directory is created or not?
Yes,
In
sir.
this mission at a time, all host missions sample directory was created. All host missions sample directory was created. Clear? Suppose you want to remove.
Yes.
If you want to remove, again
Absent.
same absent. Very simple. Now go to here. So now instead of directory, absent. absent absent executing. Now go to here. Now see here. Removed or not? Removed or not? See. Now can you see that sample.directory? No, right? So that's it. So now these are the some of models. Right? A ping model, command model, file model, setup model, copy model, command model, shell model, and so file also, there is a M model. So M means if you want to install any packages. So generally these are the two instances. These are the two host machines. So first let me connect my host machine. See, Let me connect so my host mission, and so whether that go to here, see here, I am connecting my host 110. Check it, Git is available or not. See here, Git software is not available. I want to install Git package. I want to install Git package in particular host. This is my host. Okay. So this is my host. In this host, Git package is not available. Now I want to install Git package in this particular host machine. Okay. This is the command. This is the command. So Ansible, paste, Ansible, and so now I'm in same mission, right? No need to exit. Now go to here, Ansible. What is this? What which mission you want to install? This mission, and so hyphen m, and what is the module name? M. What is the module name? M hyphen a, and we need to give arguments. So what is the arguments you need to give? So there is m. Now Sudhir, I'm going to install one package. There is one more
Package.
model, M model. There is one more model, M model. M already you know, right? So what is the purpose? Okay,
To initial
name
any
state. So here, so this is the syntax. Ansible. I am going to install package this mission hyphen m. What is the model name? M, and so name equal to what is the name? Git package. State equal to state equal to what is the state? State equal to install. What is the state? We can check it. M and state equal to present. M model, right?
present.
Now, if you want to see that arguments and all, go here and check file model. This is the M model. So, what are the arguments available here? First, let me check it. So, go to here, arguments, and go to here, state. State equal to how many we can pass it. See, we can pass present, absent, installed, latest, present, removed. These many arguments we can pass it. Now I want to install, right? We can use installed or we can use present also. Both are same.
Present both.
Okay.
Yes.
Now go to here. State equal to present. State equal to present. So what is the package name? Name equal to git. Name equal to git and state equal to present. State equal to present. Same story. See here. M as Ansible. This is the DevOps hyphen M model name. Name equal to HTTPD. State equal to present. HTTPD server will install here. Okay. So now that's it. Clear? Now see, check it.
Yes, sir.
What is this? Math. Anything missing? Host. Sorry. IP address. We need to give dot, right?
Dot is yes.
I copied paste. Sorry. 11 dot 172 dot 31. Now clear? That is present. Now see here. Now it is connect. What is this? This command has to be run under the root user only. Okay. So now root user. So generally
Yes,
this
sir.
is the software, right? This is a package, right? If you want to install any package, it is asking like root only. So for this, we need to add one more argument, hyphen b, become. What is this? Hyphen, what is hyphen b not available? Become default hyphen b correct only, right?
Sir, I can run now.
Hyphen b become run operation as this user default root. Run operation with become does not implement password implicit. Is there any option? Hyphen s, hyphen s. B only root only. Privileges exclamation become method hyphen b. What is why it is showing error? Go to here hyphen b become arguments. Let me use hyphen b become. Now we need to use m before argument, not after arguments. Okay, hyphen a before. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now See here installed. Now check it whether it is really installed or not. First connect this machine. Ansible, not Ansible. SSH, DevApps.
17.
What is the IP address of host? Check it. Now earlier Git is not installed. Now see here Git is installed. Now got it.
Yes, sir.
This is very simple. As of now we are using attack commands. So going forward we can use also playbooks and all. How to add multiple models. So suppose if you want to install Nginx, I hope you know right what is Nginx. You know
Server.
right what is HTTPD server. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so both are same only. Now tell me syntax. For example, you want to install nginx server, HTTPD server, same command. So m hyphen b, here b is nothing but become. Okay,
Become
root permission. So name equal to HTTPD,
NG. HTTP.
HTTPD. Okay, state equal to present. That's it. Now got it.
Yes, sir.
Same only. So whatever you want, we can install. So whatever you want, we can install. This is the syntax. First, you need to understand syntax. Ansible host IP hyphen m. What is the model name? M model. And name equal to HTTPD, state equal to present. See here, if you use, now it will go into install. See, now installed. Now first connect that mission. How to connect this one? And so here, so we can see HTTPD. Systemctl. How to start this server? System
CTL.
CTL status HTTPD.
GPD.
So it is inactive. How to start? System
Session
CTL
start.
start root permission sudo. Okay. Hmm. Now how to check the status?
Status.
Status. Now it is active.
Active.
Now how to go and check IP address? So what is my IP address? Go to browser. Go to paste it here. What is IP? What is IP? This is IP. Copy IP. Go to browser, just checking I am whether it is running or not. Okay, 172.31 dot next 0 dot, that's it.
Pointer.
I think what is the port number? HTTPD
80. 80. Sir.
by default it will come. Let's see how it will, what's the problem. We'll see. HTTPD port number, we can check it. Server port number, what is this? 80, right?
80. Sir.
Maybe what is the IP, which mission it is running, here or here? I think here,
NG.
not here, right? Second instance, here it is running, I think
Yes.
here, right? So here it is, which one?
1 to 30.
What is the IP I given? It is running
0.
110. 110. 110
110,
means
sir.
not this
Other one.
instance, this IP, correct? Now
Yes, sir.
let
That
me
one
check
only.
whether that port is allowed or not. Take it group,
Okay, sir.
go to inbound rule. Do we have allow that port number? No. How
No.
to add that port number? 80,
80.
anywhere, save it. Okay, go to browser, go to here, now refresh it, or else copy public IP. Okay, how to copy public IP? Go to instance, sorry, go to instances, this one only, right? Copy public IP, go to here, paste it. Now see here, now got output or not? So now your server is working fine. Your server is working fine. So earlier, so the port number is not allowed. So that is the reason we are unable to access. We are unable to also get the response. Okay, clear, Sudhir? So
Yes, sir.
these are the same. So how to check it? Now you know, right? What is M model? What is copy model? And this is the service model. If you want to start and service, we can use service model directly. If you want to start and stop, we can use directly service model. We can see here, service is one model. I started manually, right? As of now.
Yes, sir.
So I don't want start manually. So if you want to start, there is a service model. Now I'm going to stop. How to stop? So same command I'm going to execute.
Same one.
Same command I'm going to execute here. And so let me exit here and go to here. Same command service. Same command. What is the model name? Service. Service model hyphen A hyphen B HTTPD state equal to stop. Okay, that's it, right? Anything
Yes, sir.
missing? See here, state equal to stop. State equal to stop. I am going to stop my service. What is this? HTTPD state equal to stopped, not stop. Okay,
Okay, sir.
sorry, STOPPED. Already they given instruction, correct? See here, stopped. Okay, stopped. Now stopped or not? Stopped. Now go to
Stop, sir.
browser. Now refresh it. Now we'll get so error page. Now we'll get error page. Now it won't work a home page. Now got it. Let me check it.
Yes, sir. We have stopped, right?
It is stop, right? It is spinning. So page cannot display. We'll see that page. Page cannot display. See here. Now again I want to start. State equal to what are the started or starter? Check it here. Already
Start.
given starter started. What they are given? State equal to started. Or if you want to, we can restarted also. Okay. We can use anyone. Okay. I'll restarted. I'm using restarted. So based on this, we can pass arguments. Restarted or started. Restarted. Okay. I'm restarting my service. Clear? Okay. Now go to here. Now refresh it. Now we can get output. See? Yes or no? So these are the models. So now you know many models. Now tell me what are the models you know? Here, go to here, go to here. Now we know a few models. Now remember all these models. So Ansible models. So as of now we discuss what is the model, ping model, service model, next setup model, next setup ping model, setup model, command model, next file model, next M model, next copy model, next service model. Anyone missing Sudhir? As of now, how many models you know? Ping you know, setup also you know, command model also you know, file model you know, M model you know, copy model you know, service model you know. So anything missing? Clear Sudhir? These are the models. Ping model, setup model, command model, next file model, M model, copy model, service model. So already we discussed a few models. So these are the Ansible model. Interview also many people they are asking. Just remember. Okay. So coming. Sorry. So next class we'll see few more models. Okay.